Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 19. It's the 19th? Yeah, because yesterday was the 18th. We are about to go to Home Depot to get some stuff to hopefully work on some projects. There's Coyote.
There's the hamster.
And then there's the hamster running in their wheel. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Whew. I need caffeine.
I made coffee.
I know, I forgot to drink it. Okay, so we just got back from Home Depot. We got our stuff. Frankie always checks out the bag for us because he always thinks that he has something. But we got a sanding block for one thing, and then we got regular like sandpaper for a different thing that we have. We got a couple different paintbrushes to repaint, a stain brush to stain a thing, and then we bought the weathered oak because we both kind of liked it, because it wasn't like completely gray, but it was really light wood and we liked that. And then we just got a paint and primer, and that's what I should call it. They should call it primer or paint. Jacob had to hide my stocking stuff. But that's what we're doing right now. We have, what is it, like 3 different things?
What?
We want to take the legs off.
Yeah.
One thing, which that'll be easy, which...
All I gotta do is kick them off.
And then we are repainting this thing today. And then this wood chest will be sanded and stained that weathered oak color. And then this will be like a white color. Hopefully we bought white.
We did.
Yeah, that's what we think. But that's what we're doing. We're kind of working.
Put it right here. Work on it.
Okay, so we're finished with our projects. They are currently drying. Coyote is shaking very badly. We're going back to my house after we stop at Walgreens. And we're going to hopefully wrap some gifts. That's the plan, right?
Right.
So I almost forgot to finish this vlog. If I look like crap, it's just because I bawled my eyes out watching the end of Home Alone.
What?
I bawled my eyes out watching the end of Home Alone. I hate watching the end. Like, if I could just skip over the whole ending, that would be great. We also watched Christmas with the Cranks. We watched that first, and then we watched this. Jacob fell asleep during Home Alone.
I'm really tired.
It's like at 2 in the morning, so we're gonna end this vlog here. So, yeah, we'll see you in the morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20.
It's the 20th.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. I checked my phone. Because this will say the 19th.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. 5 days until Christmas. And not a single gift for you is wrapped.
Nah, it wasn't that good this year. It blends in with his whiskers.
This dog won't leave his stitches alone. Which, I mean, I guess I could be more worried about it, but I'm not that worried because it's not bleeding. I guess I should be, but I feel like if it were really bad, it'd be bleeding, right? Mm-hmm. But we're going to access, oh, I feel so weird because everyone's probably
well, also, it might not be bleeding. If it's healed up enough, because isn't he supposed to get him out?
The 27th.
Oh, the 27th?
So it's been a week since he's had the surgery now. And the vet did say that his gums looked really good and like they were healing nicely. And whenever we told her that it had only been like 4 days, she was like, wow, you're healing really fast. So
say depending on how much it's healed would also depend on if it bleeds.
yeah. And I mean, I think for the most part he really is fine. Like, I think the stitches now just bother him.
They have to feel weird in your mouth.
Yeah, especially if he's like moved them, so now they're like hanging, and he always does fine. He flips out a lot whenever like they're first like, or whenever they're hanging down, but then we just cut them, like trim them. Well, I don't. My grandma does. Because it freaks me out. But then she does that and it's fine. And he's fine for days. Until he does it again. Like until he moves one that hangs weird.
Oh boy, trying to make this turn.
Okay, but right now we're heading to the vet because I won a raffle.
Yay.
So, yeah, we're going to pick up the prize. And then...
I'm gonna have to go over and turn around.
But, oh. Then we're going to Wendy's. I don't feel that great. I feel like nauseous. I feel really nauseous. Somebody wrote "Roll Tide" in the dirt of that truck. You see?
Boo!
It's funny. It was Kevin.
It was Kevin.
But that's what we're doing. Coyote's real excited. Okay, so we're going to Target and Best Buy on the 20th of December on a Friday afternoon. We're not going like for my brother or any of like, well, it's my family, but my great aunt is struggling, so we're gonna help her out and do some of her shopping for her, so she doesn't have to do it because we're kind souls.
I am.
Today you are.
Okay, yeah, you gotta put that today part in there.
So that's what we're doing. Nervous?
Nah, not nervous. Should be fun.
Okay, quick update. It really wasn't that bad. Could have been way worse.
Could have been. We were pretty much in and out.
In, out, done. So you gotta do it. Now we're dropping it off. Then we're gonna go back to my house.
For the next hour and a half.
Yep. Okay, so it is very late. I'm at Jacob's from work. There's Frankie and Coyote. And there's a ton of stuff that I bought that I don't feel really like hauling tonight or like showing you what I got, but maybe tomorrow morning. I really just want to eat my hot Cheetos and Reese treats and go to bed. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. We're probably gonna put on a movie, and that'll probably be that. So that is everything for this vlog, and yeah, good night, guys. It's not 1 o'clock. I haven't not vlogged all day.
In your defense, you woke up not too long ago.
What?
Look at 10:30.
2.5 hours ago.
10:30, you slept in.
I didn't go to bed till 2:30.
You slacking.
Anyways, welcome to Vlogmas Day 21.
I was in bed at the same time as you.
So, you don't value sleep.
I get enough sleep.
Doesn't mean you value it.
I do too.
Anyways, we are going to the dollar store and Target, and eventually today we're going to give Coyote a bath because he stinks.
He stepped in doggy poop.
He stepped in dog poop that had cat litter in it
So it's possible.
because the dog who pooted ate cat poop from the litter box.
Ergo, his poop.
No, Frankie did not eat the cat litter. Jacob's, like, family's dog ate cat litter, and Coyote stepped in it.
Dog rocks.
I was like, I smelled Coyote. I was like, why does he smell like cat litter? Like, what? And then we looked down at well, Jacob said that he had like clumps on his paws. I was like, clumps? From what?
Well, I cleaned them up, but I guess some of it like in between his like paws, or like the pads on his paws, got stuck there.
And so then we looked at my sweatshirt and there's this big stain on it that smells like cat litter. And so, yeah, that's going to be washed, and so is Coyote. And the dogs are going to get their ears clean today, and they're not going to like it, but it's okay. Okay, so I haven't done a lot of vlogging today, but I really don't feel good.
I'm sorry that you don't.
It really stinks. But I think here in a little while we're going to do Frankie's paw print.
Cool. I didn't know you did that.
I ordered it on Amazon.
Oh yeah. Never
Whenever we
mind.
went and we couldn't find it. But I was saving it to do it. And then I forgotten. And so, I think we're gonna do that tonight. We're watching the Kentucky game. There's the pretty tree. But that's what we're doing right now. I'm so tired and feel like poop.
I'm sorry you feel like poop.
Poop. Okay, you guys, so it's kind of late now. I need to go take off my makeup and get ready for bed, so I think I'm going to end Vlogmas here so I can edit this last portion real fast, and then go to bed. So, yeah, that's everything for this vlog, you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.